Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can enable game mode on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Before that, let me tell you, we had covered a detailed article on how you can upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So the article link will be on the description box. You can check the link to upgrade to Windows 11. Now let me show you how you can enable game mode. For that, simply click on the start button and search for settings. Or you can simply right click on this start button, then click on settings, and on the left hand side you will find an option called gaming. Simply click on gaming, and here we have some gaming features such as Xbox bar, capture and game mode. To enable game mode, simply click on this game mode option. By default, game mode is turned off. Simply enable this option to enable game mode on Windows 11. So this way you can enable game mode on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.